Is Bitcoin better than or the equivalent to the ultimate idea of digital gold? We're going to talk about that today. Welcome back to the Block Cash Podcast channel. All right, we're going to read through this article on Cointelegraph, CoinDesk. Then I'll give you my thoughts at the end, as always. So, SEC approval of a U.S. listed spot Bitcoin ETF could result in inflows as much as $30 billion, probably more. The connection between gold and Bitcoin as stores of value is quite obvious. And the demand for Bitcoin as a digital store of value has a big reason why the cryptocurrency grew in popularity. Crypto services provider Matrixport said in a report as of Monday. Bitcoin's market cap is $540 billion, equivalent to 10.8% of the market cap of physical financial gold. Adding that gold exchange traded ETFs are valued at $200 billion. This is why potential approval by the SEC of a U.S. listed spot Bitcoin ETF could result in inflows of $20 to $30 billion, potentially triggering a large rally in the cryptocurrency and the overall market. Now, the SEC has dragged its heels on approving a spot Bitcoin ETF and in August said it was delaying its decision on all new applications until October. The crypto market is hopeful that such an approval will trigger a flood of mainstream money into the sector. Still, Bitcoin has an edge over gold as the private keys can be memorized, which eliminates the risk of confiscation. In a quote from Matrixport, they said that even today, storing assets in the form of gold has not only become unfashionable in the digital age, but comes with significant restrictions when crossing borders. Head of research at Matrixport, Marcus Thielen, noted, adding that Bitcoin offers a solution to this dilemma, enabling the swift and relatively inconspicuous movement of value across borders. Therefore, considering the current state of technological developments, Bitcoin's primary roles are likely as a store of value akin to gold and a speculative financial asset. With that said, I agree. And the reason I agree is because I think over time, Bitcoin has proven that even though it was created to be money, it has kind of failed at being the currency aspect of money. If we look at the Peter Schiff, Robert Kiyosaki view of what money is something with tangible value. It's an asset like gold. Gold is money. The US dollar is not money. The US dollar is currency. Gold is not currency. Gold is money. But money, it can also be a store of value. That's what gold is. So gold has always functioned as both, where you could buy it as an investment, hold on to it, and it will either hold its value very well, or over the long term, it will increase and go up. But you could also use that gold to transact, which in the end is what gives it that additional value as money. In today's age, it's very difficult to do that. If I have even a gold coin, it's not fungible to the point where I can go into Starbucks, order a latte, and put a gold coin on the table, and they can shave off the exact weight and cost to pay for that latte. This is why gold does not work in an era where here in the 21st century, you pay for things with your phone, your Apple Watch, debit cards, NFC tap pay, you name it. Here in Colombia, you use QR codes. You don't even need your card anymore. It's so much more efficient to use the fiat system to pay for things than gold will ever be able to keep up with. The only hope for gold is to have some kind of digital aspect to it, but you'd have to back that with gold. And a lot of people have tried everything from e-gold to, whatever, has not really panned out. And that's not gold's fault. That's just the lack of interest in today's generation and in the next coming generations. They're not interested in gold. They're interested in digital assets, digital products. And Bitcoin represents that. Bitcoin has established itself as that alternative. Now, people for a long time, again, have been looking for a digital replacement to gold, and Bitcoin fit that bill. So whether or not you believe Bitcoin is equivalent to gold in any kind of way, doesn't matter. It comes down to whether or not you think code itself has value. And because Bitcoin's code is cemented, like text in the Rosetta Stone, that's what gives it its value, as well as the symbolic value that Bitcoin also presents of freedom and autonomy with your money. Being able to be independent, being able to do what you want without restriction, without surveillance, without, Uncle Sam taking every single penny of it. That's the benefit of Bitcoin. Now, with gold, you can take advantage of some of these aspects, but you can't take gold through the airport. You can't pay for things in everyday life with gold. You can't put gold in your wallet. You can't pay for something on the internet with gold. And a lot of transactions are done over the internet, probably more than they do in brick and mortar stores anymore. That's why debit cards are starting to slowly disappear. We're going digital for a reason, and gold does not fit into the digital age. It'll always have value. It's a metal. It has an intrinsic value, a utility value. But this is why Bitcoin is the best performing asset of the past decade. And year over year, Bitcoin continues to be one of the best, if not the best performing assets. So not only will spot Bitcoin ETFs drive billions of dollars into Bitcoin and its market cap, not only will it do that, but it will solidify Bitcoin, further solidify Bitcoin as the store value of this next generation and the next to come after that and after that, as Bitcoin will replace gold in many, many ways. So this is coming. These ETFs are around the corner. They can't deny Grayscale anymore. They won't be able to deny BlackRock much longer, nor will they be able to deny all these other asset managers. Once one gets approved, they all have a template to get approved. If not, they'll go through the court system to get it done. It will happen. The question is, will it happen between now and this month, or will it happen in January or the end of most of the deadlines come March of 2024? It will happen. It's a matter of time. We're getting closer and closer. It's a very exciting period. So keep your eyes peeled. Keep an eye on the markets. Invest wisely. Be smart out there. But a bull run is coming. It's on the way. Comment your thoughts down below on what you think this ETF, Bitcoin ETF inflow could potentially do to Bitcoin's market cap in the crypto industry, as well as what you think of Bitcoin versus gold. Are they similar? Is one better than the other? Am I full of shit? Or am I correct? Who knows? You tell me. Tell me in the comments. Make sure to like the video as well. Share it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. I will talk to you guys once again tomorrow. Cheers.